Hi guys, I'm Ganesh Yadav from the Tech Story. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to review Intex Fitrest. It is a band from Intex which I'm wearing right now. It comes in two color variants, dark blue and white. Right now I'm wearing dark blue one. It starts at around rupees 1000, which is approximately $15. It measures your time of sleep, the calories burned, the distance traveled, and the steps taken by you. And it is water resistant. It also notifies you when you get a call or a message. And I have been using it from a past 1 month. So let's first talk about its build. It is very nice looking band from Intex. Its appearance is amazing. It has got a silicone band with a texture which looks and feels very premium. Its locking mechanism is also very good. It has never opened itself in my use. It has got a nice display which is good considering its price point. It is not a touchscreen display, instead it has got a button to control and see all the things. Its battery lasts around 5 days, which is good for me, and it charges fully in around 1 hour. Now let's see what we have got in the box. So first there's the band itself. Now opening up the box, we have got the instruction manual which have all the instructions regarding the band. Then we have this very odd looking charger which has got 3 pins, and you can see that the end of the band has also got 3 dots. So the charger connects to the pin in this way, and it can be kept and mounted on a USB charger. Now coming on to its display, it has got a good display which shows time, the battery remaining, Bluetooth connection, date, steps taken, distance traveled, calories burned, camera controls and music controls. Yes, you can control your camera and music with that device. That is a pretty awesome thing to do. It also tells you when you get a call or message, it vibrates by showing up the contact number on the screen. When you are in direct sunlight, it is a bit difficult to see the display, but when you cover it with your hands, you are able to see the display. About its accuracy, it is very accurate in measuring your steps taken. It has never added my steps in my use when I am typing or eating food. But its sleep tracking is very bad. It only tracks your sleep from 11 pm to 8 am. If you sleep before or after it, it will not record that. And it's also not very accurate. Now talking about the app. The app is pretty basic and simple, and it shows the steps taken by you, the calories burned, the distance traveled, and the time of sleep, the time in which you were in deep sleep and the time in which you were in light sleep. Sorry that I went to sync mode. And here you can enter all your data like your weight, height, etc. And here you can see your record for a particular day or a month or a year. Here you can see the steps, distance, calories burned, and here you can see the sleep data. That's all about the app. It's very basic and simple, and it needs an update. So summing up the video, I think this is a killer deal. For 1000 rupees you get a watch plus an activity tracker. So, but couple of things here and there could have made it even better. Like in Mi Band, there's a vibrating alarm system which is not included in Intex Fitrest, which would be much welcome. And instead of showing phone numbers during notification and call, they could have included the contact name if they were in the contact list. And also in the iPhone, the phone number do not show up during call, but I think that's an app issue. It will be resolved with an update. Also, the app really needs an update because it is not at par with Mi Band's app. So if they would Intex would resolve these issues, the band would be much better. So overall I give it a 7 out of 10, and I purchased it from Snapdeal at 999 rupees, but it is unavailable at Snapdeal currently. So you can purchase it from eBay or Home Shop 18 at around 1000 to 1500 rupees. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. and if you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.